The Dollar Tree across the way and Walmart right here. So I'm about to run in the store and get some stuff. Like, I broke this little caddy right here, so that needs to be replaced. I probably need to buy something a little bit more substantial. That would make the most amount of sense. But do we think that? Yes, we do things that make sense around here. But either way, yeah. Let me go knock this stuff out because I really didn't want to come out today. So I'm in the Superverse and I get a knock at my door and I'm like, I'm not in a reserved spot. So who is knocking on my door? It's either a lot lizard or some truck driver. I'm not answering the doggone door. So I peeked out my window and I see that it's this guy that is about to hit my truck. You know, he's turned down in front of my truck to try to make it like a pull through, and it didn't quite work out for him. So I opened my windows and he was like, you know, can you back up for me some? So I did. I backed up and then I ended up asking him. No problem. Do I need to pull up some? Like, am I too close to the trailer behind me?
You got all that room in front of you, so it's your choice.
I'm not over the line, am I?
No.
Okay, well then I'm good.
In between the lines.
Okay.
Your problem.
Then the next day, I woke up to this. This driver had, I couldn't tell. I don't know if he was back. It looks like he was backing in and he backed into this truck. Initially, I thought that he was pulling out. No, yeah, he had to be backing in. Let me know what you think happened in the comments, y'all. But yeah, he was responsible. He was in contact with the driver. Nobody was upset. Like, he did seemingly everything that he was supposed to do. It didn't just take off and leave that man in the lurch. So kudos to him. So, my dress is caught on a nail in here. And also, there's male underwear. These aren't mine. I came back. My clothes were dry. I got 2 loads. The lights are done. My dark sweating. So I'm like, somebody took my clothes out. And then I was like, I'm tripping. Nobody took my clothes out and then put them back. Somebody did, because they put dryer sheets. They left the dryer sheets and they left their underwear behind. Man. Alright, so it's whatever day it is. I'm not really sure, but I've been in Virginia for a little while and now I am preparing to leave to head back to Florida. So it was cool while it lasted. You know, I definitely got some rest. I got to catch up on some editing. And now, you know, it's time to hit the road. It's time to get back to business.